Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I add waves, beach waves, or how I define my curls without the use of tongs. I actually just use my hairdryer, my diffuser, which clips on here, and a curl cream. This one's Moroccan Curling Perfection. I use this one, I've been using it for years. If you have any other cream, any other curling cream that works well on your hair, you can use anything. You can even use hair mousse actually. So as you can see, I've just washed my hair, which I'm gonna let loose in front of you guys. I'm not gonna brush it. That's really important because if you brush it, it's gonna get all messy. You curly, wavy hair people, you know what happens if you brush your hair, right? Like it's just gonna, it's going to frizz up, and we don't wanna mess with the natural texture of your hair. So I'm just gonna leave it. Let's just take a little bit. I'm just using this much product. I don't want to use too much product. I don't want to use too much heat. Need to get up for this. Flip your hair over and just press into your hair like that. If you use too much product, then your hair is just gonna get really heavy, which is gonna weigh down. You don't want that. Just letting you know that I'm gonna be like this, hair inverted, for a big part of this video. So yeah. Now I'm going to take my hairdryer. So I'm using my Dyson hairdryer with the Dyson diffuser, which is like magnetically just clips on. It's amazing. I'm going to put my heat setting to 2. You don't need it hotter than that. And then just take like big chunks of my hair and put in the diffuser like this. See? It's looking so nice. Now just go over all of your hair. We're almost done. Just check if there are any like damp bits still left. I feel like this could use a little more. Done. This is what the curls look like. I love that it looks really natural. It doesn't look like those tongs, the spiral tongs. I really don't like that look. I just feel like this looks a lot more natural. It's gonna last me all day, maybe even till tomorrow. So yeah, try this at home and tell me what you think. I can't wait to hear.